Look at this sweeping drone shot moving through a cyberpunk city. The lighting, physical movement, and camera motion look like an expensive studio production, but every frame of this was generated entirely by AI. It cost exactly $0, and there is no watermark hiding in the corner. This matrix breaks down exactly how we pulled that off. We use 3 specific models to achieve this result. VEO 3.1 handles the high-end cinematic realism, SEEDANCE 2.0 maintains fluid animation continuity, and Grok steps in for high-speed experimental generation. Today, we are walking step by step through a complete production pipeline. You will learn exactly how to string these specific tools together to bypass the usual premium paywalls and produce fully edited short films. By following this precise sequence, a single person with a laptop can skip massive rendering budgets and start assembling high-quality video right away. Step 1 begins inside the Google Vids platform. Once you log in, select the VEO 3.1 model from the dashboard and set your aspect ratio. Choose horizontal for standard video or vertical if you are targeting mobile platforms. Before you type anything, you must write your text prompts exclusively in English. The model's training data heavily favors English, so using it ensures the system accurately comprehends your instructions and delivers the highest level of detail. This flowchart illustrates a proper cinematic prompt. Divide your text into 3 distinct layers: base subject, camera action, and lighting setup. Swapping generic commands for technical terms, like a dolly push, forces the AI to calculate depth of field, making the shot look professional. VEO 3.1 handles these complex requests remarkably well. Compared to older generation models, it interprets environmental textures and light reflections with high accuracy, giving your scenes realistic shadows and highlights without needing manual color correction later. Relying on the AI itself will only get you so far. Building a sharp, technical English vocabulary for your prompts is the actual mechanism for achieving cinematic realism. Generating from text works for wide establishing shots, but when you need exact control over the starting frame of your video, you need to switch to an image-to-video workflow. First, create or upload a static image you want to animate. Click on the image thumbnail and look for the specific option labeled Convert to Video. Clicking that opens up a new generation panel. This interface layout shows the static portrait loaded on the left with an active text box underneath. Here, you stack text-based camera movement instructions on top of the image data to explicitly tell the AI how to animate the subject. In this resulting animation, notice how the subject executes a slow-motion head turn. The AI calculates the correct facial physics and maintains the background continuity perfectly, all based on the static reference image we provided. If you are building a short film, you need characters and locations to match exactly from cut to cut. This image-to-video method provides that visual consistency. Now that you know the generation methods, we can solve the problem of usage limits. Google Vids caps at 10 free videos a month. To bypass that, we move to a secondary platform that requires no registration and offers unlimited access to multiple AI models. Once you are in, you can select different engines from the settings menu. Running the exact same prompt through SEEDANCE 2.0 yields a slightly different color grade and motion style than Grok. Testing across models gives you options. This timer illustrates a common roadblock on this site. If you queue up prompts too quickly, especially on the Grok model, the system throws a rate limit error and halts your production. The fix is simple: space out your clicks. Waiting a full 60 seconds between each generation request bypasses the speed restriction entirely. There is one crucial catch here. This open platform does not save your work to the cloud. You must manually download every single MP4 file as soon as it finishes rendering, or you will lose the footage when you refresh the page. Alternating between the strict quality of Google Vids and the open generation of this secondary site removes your creative bottlenecks and effectively eliminates daily generation limits. If you still need more high-end VEO 3.1 generations, there is a third platform called Bunyaflow. It normally operates on a paid credit system, but they allow an authorized Ultra Plan extension hack that unlocks premium features for 30 days. To set this up, download the specific extension provided by the platform. It arrives as a compressed zip file. You must manually extract the folder to your desktop before you do anything else. In this browser window illustration, we see the installation step. Open your Chrome Extension Manager, toggle Developer Mode on in the top right corner, and drag the extracted folder directly into the window. Next, click the puzzle piece icon to pin the new extension to your toolbar. Click the extension, enter your free account credentials, and it will immediately link your profile to the premium dashboard. Inside the new dashboard, open a new project. The most critical setting here is the model dropdown. Make sure to select the VEO 3.1 L parameter. This specific option allows you to generate video in near 2K resolution while consuming 0 credits. Learning these technical workarounds takes a few extra minutes, but securing 30 days of high-resolution, unmetered rendering is what allows you to scale up from a hobbyist to a high-volume creator. Now you have a hard drive full of raw video files. To make them watchable, pull everything out of the generation platforms and drop the clips into a traditional timeline editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Your AI clips are only 8 seconds long. Sequence them logically, trim the awkward morphs at the beginning or end of the clips, and place them in an order that builds a clear narrative. Visually, the footage looks great, but it is completely silent. You must add layered sound design to sell the illusion. Stack atmospheric city ambience, add distinct character footsteps, and drop in wind noise to give the space physical weight. When it is time to render, optimize your export settings. If you are uploading to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, lock the aspect ratio to 9:16 and export in 1080p at 30 frames per second for maximum retention. Raw AI footage cannot carry a story on its own. Human-driven pacing, hard cuts, and precise audio engineering trick the viewer's brain into perceiving a real, cohesive environment. This final edited sequence is the direct result of combining those tools. The tracking shot, the realistic lighting, and the intense environment all came together through the generation tools, the extension hack, and careful sound design. You now possess a strict, repeatable daily workflow to automate high-end cinematic content without spending a dime on software subscriptions. Let me know in the comments which AI video model you want me to test next, and make sure to subscribe to This Will Surprise You for more automation strategies. AI tools are not pushing out traditional filmmakers. They are simply giving solo creators the leverage to execute massive cinematic visions on a $0 budget.